From Sooner Standards, Evaluating Hardware-Software Combinations for Data Collection, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard. CSHS.01. Students learn to evaluate and recommend improvements to software and hardware combinations used to collect and exchange data. Inside a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of sensor-based data collection, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric. What's a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's a 3 to 4 Daltonses of no prep, HQIM, aligned instruction across 33, ready to print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.